the curtain falls on the year, Zimbabwe's outspoken legal heavyweight Thabani Mpofu has delivered a blistering verdict on President Emmerson Mnangagwa. Zadapena mashoko atirikuona kuti as we are celebrating the new year, panguva idoi Advocate Fulcrum, Advocate Thabani Mpofu, panguva ile obuda achitaura mashoko achiti he must go. Panguva ino tirikuona kuti Mpofu and Lords kuti Mnangagwa and ZANU-PF in the end of year blast. Zadapena mashoko zvizere atirikuona as we are starting another new year. Mpofu oya akaprepare ZANU-PF and the president Mnangagwa aiwa size yavo ndori subscribe or like out on the bell icon TV na mnamo ramiro kwa mchinzi. As the curtains falls on the year, Zimbabwe's outspoken legal heavyweight Thabani Mpofu has delivered a blistering verdict on President Emmerson Mnangagwa and the ruling ZANU-PF party, describing them as leaders imposed on citizens rather than chosen by them. In a sharply worded reflection, Mpofu argues that Mnangagwa has failed to earn any moral authority to govern, accusing him of dragging the nation backwards while presiding over decay, division, and dysfunction. According to Mpofu, 2025 has been a year in which ZANU-PF exposed its emptiness, more interested in internal squabbles, self-enrichment, and the twerking for coin than in serving suffering nations. He says the party has betrayed the values of the liberation struggle, insisting this is no longer the movement of icons like Herbert Chitepo, despite trading on their names. Looking ahead, Mpofu calls 2026 a decisive year for unity, organization, and collective rejection of failed leadership. He urges Zimbabweans to demand ethical, competent leaders in politics, the church, and public life, warning that choices made next year will define the nation's future. Thomas Kwanbrai Tongo Panapana Thabani Mpofu. Penako section made use of Fungro any more clip on so subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.